Here's how LineageOS and EOS compare as two most popular ways to de-Google your Android phone, so you can pick the one that removes the most tracking without breaking your daily routine. Both are custom Android operating systems that replace your phone's factory software, cutting Google's data collection at its root. The core difference is how much do they do for you out of the box. LineageOS is the more established of the two. It ships as a near-stock Android experience with Google's apps and services completely removed. What you get is a clean, fast system that you can control. What you don't get is much of a replacement. There is no pre-installed app store with vetted, privacy-friendly apps, no automatic data routing through a neutral server, and no built-in fallback for apps that silently try to call Google in the background. LineageOS hands you a clean slate and expects you to fill it yourself. That makes it powerful for technically confident users who know exactly what they want to install and configure. EOS takes a different approach. It ships with MicroG, a lightweight open source layer that mimics just enough Google behavior to keep most apps running without feeding data back to Google. It includes its own app store called App Launch, a pre-configured browser, and an automatic routing app network requests through a privacy-preserving Morena IO server. The experience is closer to a ready-to-use privacy phone rather than a DIY project. This is the stronger pick for users who want to ditch Google without rebuilding everything from scratch. The trade-off is control. LineageOS gives you a smaller, more auditable system with no pre-installed extras you didn't ask for. EOS, meanwhile, gives you more convenience, but adds its own layer of software you have to just place in Google. Device support matters too. LineageOS supports a wider range of phones. EOS supports a more curated list with its own refurbished hardware program for users who want a device that ships pre-installed. If you're comfortable building your own setup, you have to use LineageOS. If you want privacy without the manual configuration, then choose EOS. Once you know how much setup you're willing to do, the right ROM becomes an easy choice.